Welcome to another daily Hamster Kombat Cipher. Let's make sure we keep on mining, upgrade your masters to grandmasters, upgrade your levels, spend your coins in markets, PL, legal, and specials. Let's make sure you spend out, increase your profit per hour. That's the most important thing. Your profit per hour. Today's daily cipher is coin, COIN. C, you long press, you tap, you long press. O, you long press, you long press, you long press. I, you tap, N, you long press, and you tap. And you'll be given your 1 million coin for the daily cipher. You can claim it. Spend your token. Spend your tokens. Follow for more. Subscribe. Like this page. Thank you very much. Join me tomorrow for another Hamster Kombat Daily Cipher crack.